Welcome to Session 23. Estimation catches lost signs, misplaced decimals, incorrect reciprocals, and faulty calculator entries before they become final answers. Today you will predict sign and size, compare negative rational values, diagnose the first false step, and verify calculator output. Before exact work, predict the sign, approximate magnitude, and benchmark range. -48 plus +52 should be a small positive result because the values nearly cancel. -3.1 times +8.2 should be negative and near -24. When comparing negatives, the value closer to 0 is greater, so -0.35 is greater than -0.40. Evaluate a calculator displays 128 for 3.2 times 0.4. Step 1. Estimate 3 times 4/10, which is near 1.2. Step 2. A product above 100 is impossible at this scale. Step 3. Multiply 32 times 4 and place 2 decimal digits. Therefore, the correct product is 1.28. Check. The estimate and exact product agree closely. Evaluate a student writes 7 minus -2 equals 5. Step 1. Rewrite subtraction as addition of the opposite. Step 2. The opposite of -2 is +2. Step 3. Calculate 7 plus 2. Therefore, the correct result is 9. Check. 9 minus the added 2 returns the original 7. Common error is trusting calculator output without checking direction and scale. A calculator follows the entered keys, not the intended mathematics. Use the correct method. Compare the output with an expected sign, approximate size, and inverse operation. Therefore, the first failed check identifies whether the error is sign, decimal, reciprocal, or entry order. 2 estimates are offered for -19.8 plus +20.3, -40.1, or +0.5. Step 1. The values have opposite signs and nearly equal magnitudes. Step 2. Expect a small result, not a large one. Step 3. Subtract 20.3 minus 19.8. Therefore, +0.5 is the reasonable and exact result. Let us recap. Predict sign, estimate size, calculate, then diagnose the first false step. For a quick check, consider -19.8 plus 20.3. Nearly equal opposite values leave a small positive result of 0.5. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridge2exam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.